extend a very warm welcome to all the teachers, honorable guests, Shri SP Rao sir, AGM HRA, GIPCL SLPP, and Secretary Shri Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan GIPCL Academy. I also extend a very warm welcome to all the parents, students who are present over here. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. As you know, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It was declared by our Honorable Prime Minister Amrit Mahotsav celebration. As name in itself is Amrit Mahotsav, which indicates Amarta. Amarta of freedom, sustainability of freedom. He also announces a very important day to celebrate by all our Indians. Is anybody is having idea? 14th August is going to be celebrated Partition Horror Remembrance Day. We are celebrating 15th of August with full of zeal and gist, but the pain and the suffering we had to get this is uncountable and unexplainable, never-ending pain. 2 crore people of India migrated from Pakistan and from India. 20 lakh people died while partition was taking place. 1 lakh women were raped and murdered during this partition. This is the cost of getting independence. And there is no monuments, there is no history, there is no remembrance to those people who have sacrificed their life and still their families are having never-ending pain. So, really, I am admirer of our Honorable Prime Minister. At least he has taken an initiative to remember those peoples who have sacrificed their life. And before that we can say, Akhand Bharat, now there is a Khand Bharat. So, I request to all the students, new generation, please go through the history and come to know what are the reasons, what are the mistakes. Due to that, so many people have to suffer. And this is the history, biggest partition, biggest rights, biggest suffering of the world, Indian history or human history we can say. So why it has happened? Who was responsible for it? And what lesson we have to take so that this sort of pain, this sort of suffering, we will not face in future. I request to all the students, please go through that particular history. Second, very happy. Yesterday, when I was watching the news, Honorable Prime Minister has also declared National Vehicle Scrapping Policy, which is the main cause of pollution. It will affect our economics, not only economics, but environment also. It was very much needed in European and American countries. 15 years before, they have taken these sort of steps. And you will be surprised, in India, 2 crore vehicles are there which are having life more than 20 years. That should be scrapped immediately. Cause of accident, pollution, very adverse effect of our economy also, as well as our environment also. So these are the initiatives taken by Honorable Prime Minister, and this is a time for change. This is a time for learn. This is a time to learn from mistakes. That's why this celebration is called Amrit Mahotsav. So, once again, I congratulate and convey my best wishes on this Independence Day, and congratulate to all the students who are going to get their prizes, reward, 100% attendance award they are also getting, and who has secured highest marks, who has done anchoring. So once again, thank you very much, and I hope whatever I have addressed from this dais, they will definitely go through it and definitely contribute in the development of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
चलो फिर से आज वह नजारा याद कर ले, शहीदों के दिलों में थी जो वह ज्वाला याद कर ले, जिसमें बहकर आजादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, देशभक्ति के खून की वह धारा याद कर ले। विश्व वंदिता माँ भारती के चरणों में शत शत प्रणाम। भारतवर्ष के मुक्ति पर्व के इस पावन अवसर पर आइए माँ भारती की उन वीरांगनाओं का स्मरण करें जिनके खून से आजादी की कहानी लिखी गई थी।
मेरे मन को प्रसन्नता से भर देता है। मैं आज अत्यंत गौरवान्वित हूँ कि मेरे सपूतों ने भारत को इस मुकाम तक पहुँचा दिया है जहाँ वह विश्व के लिए एक मिसाल बन सके। आज मुक्ति पर्व के इस पावन अवसर पर मैं इन्हीं वीरांगनाओं को अपने साथ लेके आई हूँ। झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, सावित्रीबाई फुले और मैडम कामा।
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
मैं मेरे खून की अंतिम बूंद तक लड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैं मेरी झांसी नहीं दूंगी, नहीं दूंगी, नहीं दूंगी। कुछ कर गुजरने की गर तमन्ना उठती हो दिल में, भारत माँ का नाम सजाओ दुनिया की महफिल में। हर तूफान को मोड़ दो जो हिंदुस्तान से टकराए, चाहे तेरा सीना हो छलनी, तिरंगा ऊंचा ही लहराए, तिरंगा ऊंचा ही लहराए। मैं मानती हूँ कि मनुष्य का सबसे बड़ा और जानी दुश्मन होता है उसका अज्ञान। उसे धर दबोचो, पीटो और जीवन से भगा दो। यही हमारे जीवन की उन्नति का एकमात्र मार्ग है। यही वजह थी कि मैंने भारत में महिलाओं को शिक्षित बनाने का बीड़ा उठाया था, और आज गर्व के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि भारत माँ की बेटियों ने दुनिया में महिला शक्ति का परचम लहराया है, और यही सच्ची आजादी है।
मानवता के नाम पर कलंक है। एक महान देश भारत को इससे क्षति पहुंच रही है, तो आओ आगे बढ़ो। हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं और हिंदुस्तान हिंदुस्तानियों का है।
हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान,
over here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of आत्मनिर्भर भारत। अभी हमने जो कवि प्रदीप का जो गाना सुना था, वो गाना का हर एक वर्ड, हर एक पंक्ति वो अपने आप एक इंडिविजुअल जो सोल्जर है उसकी लाइफ बोलोगे तो उससे कम नहीं है। सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है, ये जो गाना है और ये जो हम एंथुसियाज्म आज जो दिखाते हैं उसको कंटिन्यू 365 डेज दिखा। I congratulate all the staff members of BBGIPCL Academy, parents and my dear students on this occasion and wishing them a very happy Independence Day. The school is performing a very systematic and successful manner in all sports activities, whether it is academy or sports. Once again, I want to congratulate to all the parents, students, staff members to proud 100% results in board class with flying colors. Once again, congratulations to all the students as well as teachers and parents, because to get 100% results in this scenario, no doubt government has declared a different pattern, but pattern itself requires your enthusiasm, otherwise it is not possible. गवर्नमेंट 100% पास कर देगी, बट आपका जो परसेंटेज का जो पैटर्न है वो शायद अभी तक का JIPCL एकेडमी का हिस्ट्री है, हाईएस्ट आया है। सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट टू ऑल ऑफ यू। We have inaugurated our second edition of newsletter Reflection by a very prominent international table tennis player, Mr. Harmeet Desai, in presence of our respected Managing Director, Madam Srimati Vasla Vasudeva IAS. She had admired a lot for an initiative taken through her words. This sort of program not only boosts our students in sports but also provide them a very positive stimulation and exposures. When program is over, ma'am has called the principal sir as well as me also and given a hearty congratulations to all of you. That was a very excellent program. Lastly, I would like to say the young generation is our future for country. With your talents and efforts toward the country, so we need to understand the importance of patriotism and do celebrate Independence Day. I will request those students who have won from our school and the generation which is here, try to participate yourself in 26 January at Delhi. एक जज्बा रखिए लाइफ में कि मुझे RDC में पार्टिसिपेट होना है, उसका एक नज़रिया जो है ना वो बदल जाता है अगर आप वहाँ पे जाते हो। वेदर देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज, नॉट ओनली NCC, सिर्फ NCC है ऐसा नहीं है, NCC है, NSS है, स्पोर्ट्स, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ है, बट अगर आप वहाँ पे अगर सिलेक्ट होते हो, जाते हो, तो यू विल हैव ए डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, अलग सा होता है। Together in unity we can strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Once again, thank you on and on. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Let your heart bask in free spirit. Let your soul soar high with the essence of freedom. A happy Independence Day. Honorable Chief Guest Shri H.P. Rao Sir, respected Principal Shri Vaibhav Agarwal Sir, teachers and my dear students, very pleasant good morning to you all. I am Sameepa Kamble, feel honored and privileged to propose the vote of thanks on this Independence Day celebration. On this occasion, I extend my heartfelt thanks to our Chief Guest Shri H.P. Rao Sir for accepting our invitation and giving his valuable time. We are thankful to you, sir. My words may not be enough to express the sense of gratitude to our principal, Sri Vaibhav Agarwal sir, for his expert and able guidance. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my deep sense of thankfulness to our teachers and non-teaching staff who have contributed to the success of today's program. It's my privilege to thank our students and valued parents for their presence and cooperation on the 75th Independence Day of our country. I take a moment to thank all the supporting staff who have worked behind all the arrangements for this event. Once again, I thank one and all from the bottom of my heart. It's a great pleasure to be an Indian. So let's spread the cheer all over. Jai Hind. Thank you.